I really hope y'all out here washing your rice because over here, my 10-year-old already knows better. This is the way I saw my mama do it, so this is the way she's going to learn how to do it. Because homeschooling in this house isn't just about books, it's about real life skills. Today, my 10-year-old Abby is making dinner for the whole family, and this didn't happen overnight. This is something we've been building: confidence, independence, and real life skills. While the rice was cooking, she started working on the spinach, which she decided to turn into some sort of creamy spinach sauce, and I was here for her creativity. And in between cooking, she's still finishing up her homeschool work. This is what I love about this lifestyle. Learning and life goes hand in hand. Now, I know some of y'all might have thought I was joking before when I said I didn't learn how to cook until I got married, but I wasn't joking. And honestly, that wasn't even a laughing matter. I don't ever want my kids to feel unprepared stepping into adulthood. I believe in preparing my kids now so they can feel confident, taking care of themselves and the people around them. And one thing about Abby is she absolutely loves the kitchen. When I tell you, anytime I'm in there trying to hook up a meal, she goes in there and she wants to help. She wants to create something, and I absolutely love that for her. The love of cooking is not something I had as a child, so I am happy that this is something that she has taken on and she's ran with it. If this is your first time here, hi and welcome. My name is Angela and I'm a homeschooling mom of two beautiful girls. Ava is my 12-year-old and this is Abby, my 10-year-old. I've been homeschooling them since the beginning. So if you guys are thinking about homeschooling or just started your homeschooling journey and you have any questions in regard to homeschooling, let me know. We are located in Texas, just in case you're thinking about moving here as well. I may have some tips for you. And this right here, this is why we homeschool. It's not just academics, it's raising confident, capable, real-world ready kids. If you're homeschooling or even thinking about it, don't forget, these life skills matter just as much as anything in a textbook. Now here you guys see her seasoning her fish, and I'm not hovering over her either. I told her to season until her brain tells her to stop, because you guys know most good cooks don't do measurements. They just season from the heart, and that's what I'm teaching her. I'm nearby, but she's leading, because the goal isn't just teaching, it's preparing them. And she didn't stop there. She set the table for everyone, because in this house, we're also teaching serving others. She's pouring the drinks, setting the plates, and I'm just sitting back like, wow. And yes, her frying fish or anything else definitely makes me a little bit nervous, but this is where trust is built. She's learning responsibility, safety, and how to take care of her family. Y'all, look at this plate. Rice cooked in beef broth and butter, creamy spinach, perfectly seasoned fish. My 10-year-old did that. And then she cleaned her plate so fast, I barely caught it. That's how you know it was good. And never forget, they're learning from everything you do. All right, you guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.